In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a group chat on Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, from the chat screen, click on this icon given at the top right. From the available options, select Create Group Chat. Next, choose the people you want to add to your group. You can scroll through your contact list or use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find specific friends. After you have selected everyone that you want to add to the group chat, click on Next. You can now enter a name for your group chat if you would like. Giving your group a name makes it easier for everyone to recognize the conversation, but this step is completely optional. When you are ready, tap Create and Messenger will instantly create your new group chat. Once your group is created, you can start sending messages, photos, videos, voice messages, stickers, and other content to everyone in the conversation. You can also customize the group later by changing its name, updating the group photo, or adding and removing members whenever needed. And that's it, you have successfully created a group chat on Messenger. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.